Welcome back to Bike Buzzing, your ultimate destination for all things two-wheeled, powerful, and thrilling. Today, we're diving deep into one of the boldest, brawniest, and most talked about bikes of the year, the 2025 Harley Davidson King Kong. This machine isn't just a motorcycle, it's a full-on statement of dominance, design, and innovation. So, buckle up for a ride through the specs, style, performance, and the story behind this beast of a bike. A name that roars, why King Kong? When Harley Davidson names a motorcycle King Kong, you already know it's going to be larger than life. This isn't just clever marketing, it's a reflection of what this bike represents. Harley has always been known for powerful cruisers, but King Kong takes it a notch further. Built to turn heads and shake streets, it's a fusion of raw American muscle and cutting-edge engineering. Whether you're a lifelong Harley rider or just love machines that defy norms, King Kong demands your attention. Design, classic meets futuristic. Visually, the 2025 King Kong is unmistakably Harley, with sweeping lines, a low-slung stance, and aggressive posture, but there's a futuristic edge to it. The tank is wider and more sculpted, the front fascia looks like it came from a sci-fi garage, and the LED headlamp resembles a clenched jaw ready to bite. Matte black dominates the color palette, but chrome accents and optional two-tone finishes offer some classic flair. It's a cruiser that looks just as good parked at a bike night as it does roaring down the interstate. Performance, built like a beast. Under the hood, or should we say under the tank, the King Kong features Harley's most powerful V-twin yet, the Milwaukee 8135, pushing out an estimated 145 horsepower and 150 lb-ft of torque. That kind of grunt turns long roads into quick blurs. The ride-by-wire throttle is responsive, the torque delivery is immediate, and despite its size, King Kong feels surprisingly nimble. Harley has also equipped it with an advanced traction control system, cornering ABS, and selectable ride modes, making it as intelligent as it is intimidating. Comfort and cruising, power without pain. Despite its monstrous engine and dominant look, the King Kong is built for comfort. The seat is low and wide, the handlebars are perfectly positioned for long-haul cruising, and the suspension, a combination of high-end front forks and adjustable rear shocks, eats up bumps like candy. Heated grips, a fully digital display, and Bluetooth connectivity are all standard. And yes, Harley even included cruise control, because riding King Kong isn't always about unleashing fury, sometimes it's about soaking in the miles. Technology, a modern-day king. The 2025 King Kong marks a new era for Harley in terms of tech. The dashboard is a fully integrated 7-inch TFT touchscreen with navigation, smartphone pairing, and voice commands. There's also a new anti-theft system with biometric authentication, think fingerprint start or facial unlock through your connected device. It also supports over-the-air updates, meaning your bike keeps improving even after you buy it. This is Harley embracing the future without losing its soul. Price and availability, a premium experience. A bike like this doesn't come cheap. The base model of the 2025 King Kong starts at $35,999, with premium trim and custom packages pushing it closer to $42,000. It's clearly targeted at serious riders and collectors, not casual cruisers. But when you consider the craftsmanship, power, and presence this bike offers, it's more than just a purchase, it's an investment in pure riding legend. Harley plans to release it globally in late summer 2025, with pre-orders already opened in select markets. Final thoughts, a new Harley icon. The 2025 Harley Davidson King Kong is not just a motorcycle, it's a monument on wheels. It merges Harley's legacy of craftsmanship and attitude with modern performance and technology. It's bold, it's beautiful, and it's brimming with power. Whether you're riding down the boulevard or parking it at a meet, King Kong will draw a crowd, and leave a rumble in its wake. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Harley Davidson King Kong. What do you think, is this the new king of cruisers? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let us know if you'd ride one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another beastly bike breakdown. This is bike buzzing, where passion meets pavement. Ride safe, ride loud,